This is the Hello World Podcast.
What's the toughest periods that you had in enforcing culture?
I would say when I myself failed in my role as a leader, I had to go in front of staff and say, I failed in my role as your leader. So that was in being open and courageous as well.
Mhm.
So there was a situation wherein we had failed to right size the team in terms of being able to allow them to process the number of applications that were coming through the door. So because of that, they were spending a lot of time doing overtime. And they raised that concern that,
Mhm.
we've been doing this for 6 months straight. So I said, yes, that's my failing as a leader. We weren't able to right size and do the capacity plan that was appropriate to ensure that you get to go home on time, you get to go home to your families. So I made the commitment right there. I told them, within X months, we will guarantee that your work hours should normalize. And that was achieved. Go in front of the team and acknowledge that, yes, a mistake was made, but I felt that I did have to do it. And I had to show that, yes, I was vulnerable at that time, but I'm also human. But at the same time, yes, I do make mistakes, but I will ensure that we will fix those mistakes.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.